Welcome to another episode of the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. We're in Eureka at the show shed, the home of Waikato Sheds. I'm here with Roy from A1 Bobcats. Hey Roy, mate.
How's it going?
Awesome, man. Sun's shining. It was pouring with rain a moment ago, but that's 2023.
We can't get enough rain, can we?
We certainly can't at the moment. Good for the grass, good for the grass. All right, so what we're doing is we're putting in a new car park here and driveways in certain parts, rehabilitating some of the old one. And I thought I'd jump out, and we do a lot of driveways, we do a lot of car parks for our clients and that, of what actually goes into it. So what goes into making a great car park and driveway?
Getting rid of all the sloshy stuff on top.
Yep.
Well, pretty much we'll dig down to a good grade, so getting rid of all the topsoil and putting a base course in, whether that be brown rock or a coarser blue rock.
Yep.
Generally brown rock's more preferred, but holds up a lot better under softer ground. Once we've got that up and got it all nicely compacted, we start doing the finishing touches like we have here. Then start getting all the falls in so that you don't get ponding of water and it all starts looking spick and span.
Awesome. So first off, you dig out all the soft dirt, get a nice even base, put in a big coarse rotten rock or blue rock. Then you'll put in, what size would have been the rock that went down initially?
I think we put down gap 65 because we're on pretty good soil here.
Yeah.
So we brought that up and then we left it for a few months for it all to settle and you guys to drive over it and give it a really good compaction, and then just here putting on all the nice gap 20 and making it look good.
No worries. And so you'll obviously got Pete in the big truck, he's dropping off all the metal. Then you got yours. What sort of machines have we got here that we're going to need for this?
Well, digger to start with to get all the stuff out.
Yeah.
Then there's the truck to move stuff around on site. Then the bobcat down the far end for leveling it all out and doing all the final touches to make it look nice.
No worries. And then you'll bring in the roller once it's done and compact it all down?
Yep. Yeah, so we'll generally give it a good roll afterwards. So.
Alright guys, so it's not only wonderful sheds that we do, we also look after the driveways, car parks and all these sort of things and that. So if you're keen on one of those, talk to us. We're always working in with A1 Bobcats, Roy, and being able to build those for it. So awesome, thanks for the wonderful work, Roy.
No worries.
Always a pleasure.
Cheers.